Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to delete or remove mute all sounds shortcut function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to delete our shortcuts? If you have a shortcut here, for example, mute all sounds we have here, we can edit shortcuts from here, then select actions, and we are looking for our option, and we can simply turn it off from here. As you can see, there is no mute all sounds option right there. But if we have no shortcut here and we have set up our shortcut as a button press, we need to go to settings, then accessibility, hearing enhancements, and then we are looking for our mute all sounds shortcuts from here. So as you can see, we have shortcut here. We can change how this shortcut is working from here. We can change to button press if we want to, but if we want to turn it off, we simply untap this option. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.